Hey everyone, welcome to the Airstream Chronicles, or whatever you'd like to call it. My name is Rich Charpentier if you're new to the channel, and thanks for stopping by. So this morning I'm down at my little micro studio in downtown Prescott. I'm going to be meeting up with one of my clients, Brett, this morning, and we're going to be reviewing all of the video outtakes and clips from what we've been recording recently to put together the final bumper for his Kickstarter program, or Kickstarter project. So today we should have everything finished out for Brett on a Kickstarter about drawing cartoons. So Brett's a well-known cartoon illustrator, and he's been doing it since 1981. And so, as I've said in the other videos, we're going to be bringing a new online class to life together. And that's all starting up here this week with the launch of the Kickstarter. So Brett will be down here in a little bit, and in the meantime I've got this green screen behind me and I've got bad hat hair, so sorry about that. It's real early this morning. I've been in the studio since well, it's 7:41 now. I got here at 6:30 to get set up. So there's a good bit to do when we're doing these recordings, number one, so I wanted to get everything set up. Over here, I've actually got my computer set up, and maybe I'll zoom that out and show that to you after. So not everything I do can be done from the Airstream. I'd say 90% of my job I do from the Airstream, but when we're doing things like this, when we're doing Arizona drone tutorials, when we're doing the class stuff like we're doing for Brett here, we need a little more space. So I actually rented out month to month a little space in downtown Prescott at a warehouse. Then we were able to throw the green screen up so we can do some interesting backgrounds. And we've used the green screen heavily for Brett's intro to his class. The bulk of his class is actually going to be him drawing and showing people how to draw superheroes, how to set them in a scene. Brett's titled it The Art of Visual Storytelling, because a lot of the story, when you look at a comic or you look at a graphic novel, a lot of the story is actually in the illustration. So sure, you get those little word bubbles and the characters talking to each other, but a huge part of that, beyond the words, is actually the visuals. And so Brett is an absolute expert with that. So you'll probably see him pop up in this video in a little bit once he gets in here this morning and we start doing some recording and some editing. And I did a little quick video of the inside of the studio area earlier, so I hope you enjoy that. And then I'll try to quickly edit this one today to make sure that it's up on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday, but I'm going to have a lot of editing to do today for Brett, so tomorrow's post might be a little late, and tomorrow's post is this post. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. This is something different for me to do. You know, we'll still be talking about mobile tech for RVers and travel and those types of things. But right now, the work that I'm doing has me firmly in one place to get all these videos done. And if you're wondering what's going on with my blinking at you a lot here, I just hit my eye drops a few minutes ago, so go figure, it lasted a little longer than I thought it would. So, so that's the weird blinking. I'm not hitting on you, I promise. All right, everyone, I'm popping off here. You'll probably see Brett and I in a little bit. And yeah, I hope you're enjoying the series. This is my real Airstream life. I'd like to say that I'm out on the road constantly, going to Moab, going to Montana, heading up into Banff, Canada. But because of the fact that not only am I a full-time worker, but I'm still having to earn a living, I have to plan my travel and everything else around what I'm doing project-wise. So I seem to be finding more projects in the Prescott area and in Arizona, and so that's why I'm staying put. If somebody in Montana would like to do a new website and reservation system for a new RV park, give me a call. I'd love to go up there. All right, we'll see you guys.